Hello students, this is Shantan sir and this is the fourth class of algebra. In this class we have to write some expression. Okay, so now just try to solve some problem here. Exercise number 11.4, frame algebraic expression for the following situation. Problem number 1. Problem number 1, a box of burfis contains 10 burfi. Find the total number of burfi in B box. Just tell me. Think that you have 10 apple in one box. So if you have two box, then how many apple you have? 2 into 10, 20 apple. So here each box has 10 burfi. So total number of box B. So how many total burfi? 10 into B. Understood everyone? Now Harini kept 12 color pens in a pack. Find the number of color pens she had in the total if he has 7 color pen left after packing them in P packs. So 12 color pens in P pack, in every pack. So how many pack P pack? So it will be 12 P. Now how many color pen left? 7. So it's extra. So plus 7. Understood everyone? Now try to solve next problem. A car is traveling at a speed of 45 km per hour. Calculate the distance covered by it in each hour. So a car is traveling at a speed of 45 km per hour and calculate the distance. So distance equal to speed into time. So 45 into age, that means 45 age. Understood everyone? Now rewrite try to solve problem number 2. Rewrite the following statement in ordinary language. Mona has M in her piggy bank. Shona has 2M minus 75 in her piggy bank. So you have to rewrite the sentence. Mona has rupees M in her piggy bank. So Sona has 2M minus 75 in her piggy bank. So it can be written as a Sona has 75 rupees less twice of Mona's money in her piggy bank. Okay, this is a ordinary sentence. Now just read the question properly. Manoj has scored 4 marks more than Kannan and Roshan has scored 3 marks less than Kannan. If Kannan has scored K marks, so Kannan marks K. Now we have to find the score of his friends in terms of K. So now Manoj marks equal to, what is the Manoj mark? Manoj has scored 4 marks more than Kannan. 4 marks more. So Kannan marks K and 4 more. So that means plus 4. Okay. Now, and Roshan has scored 3 marks less. 3 marks less. Which from less? Than Kannan. So Kannan marks K and minus 3. This is our Roshan marks. Understood everyone? Now the topper has scored 43 marks more than 1/6 of Kannan marks. Topper score equal to 1/6 of Kannan. So 1/6 means K by 6. 43 more. So plus 43. This is our final answer. Okay. So in the similar way, you have to solve all the problem from exercise number 11.4, and this is your homework. Understood everyone? Okay, bye.